What's up, everybody? Man here, making my first mod to my Genesis Coupe Turbo and my first video. All right, so I wanted this to be the first mod because I think it's really cool and it seemed like a good place to start because I'm not a technical person. I just love cars and in particular my car. So I wanted to start off by swapping out this bad boy shift knob. One, it's peeling. I don't really like it. This little chrome piece on here, aside from like seeing my reflection, I don't even really understand the purpose of it. But over here, got some neon chrome. Mrs. helped me pick this out. She likes the color. I like it too. It's from Sickspeed. I'll figure out where I put that sticker. Probably put it in the car somewhere later. But ultimately, I need to install this here. And the hardware I'm going to use is that jam nut and reducer with a washer in between. So to begin, I need to take this off. I already loosened it up. It was kind of a bitch to get loose at first, but no problems there. Got it loose. Take it off. Goodbye. All right, so the jam nut goes on first. I mean, it's just a nut at the end of the day. I'll put it on all the way. Got a washer to go in between. And this reducer goes on. Let me see, that's a little tight that way. Like so. It's tight for some reason. Let's see if I can get it to go a little bit further. It's probably gonna completely go once I put the stick shift on itself. But sometimes these things get stuck. And I don't have hands for it, so I'm just gonna push it down like that a little bit. Now let's see if I can do it. Oh, nope. All right, well, I know what will make it go down. This will make it go down. So let's go ahead and get that on here. Yep, that will make it go down. Damn, okay. All right. Now, that's on there. Looks pretty good, actually. I like it. Pretty tight. I don't want to strip it. It's pretty tight. And from there, that looks pretty good. Pretty good. I check it and see how it feels using it, but I'm obviously in the passenger seat because who does anything to their car while they're in the driver's seat? Nobody. It's too cramped. All right, now that that's on here, let me tell you a little bit about it. I got it from Amazon. I like the style of it. I was considering this shape, and I was considering a ball, but I didn't really want the ball because I didn't really want to be that much of a poser. Obviously, my car is an automatic, but it does have where you can switch it over here, and you can, I guess, shift it like automatic style or whatever. You can shift it there. Also on the steering wheel, I have these paddles that can be pressed to switch as well, which is fun. When I switch over to this mode, the car, why am I pointing at pennies? Oh, the pennies, it's dirty in there. When I switch over to this mode right here, the car, it accelerates a bit better. It actually kind of jumps forward, then, like I said, it accelerates a little bit better. So I have fun doing it, but hopefully this makes it a lot funner. All right, it's pretty good stuff. So that was my first video, first mod to the car. Tell me what you guys think. Comment section below. Like, share. Well, right now there's probably no one watching because this is my first video, but hopefully a lot of people come and join and watch me have fun with my car, monkey around with my car. just do car things. I always kind of had a knack for car things. Not an expert by a long shot, but somewhat mechanically inclined, and I find it fun to do. You know, I'm definitely into cosmetic things regarding cars. I spend a lot of time in junkyards, just taking parts off and doing stuff like that. The next video I will make, it's probably going to be either something exterior, because I do have some exterior things I need to do to the car. It could possibly be the steering wheel, because I got a steering wheel cover coming. Could be the radio, because I'm tired of this radio. Tired of it. It's not even the radio's fault. It's the Bluetooth. The Bluetooth is so annoying in this radio. You know, so I might work on getting that situated. I have been doing some research. That's probably going to be an eBay thing, because I'm really into the Android radios right now that allow you to have a tablet in your dashboard. But I don't want to give up CDs. I don't want to give up CDs at all, because I have a lot of CDs, like 10,000 CDs. I don't want to give up CDs at all. Well, yeah. So ultimately, that's that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Kind of a dull one, but it's me starting off. You know, more to come in the future. Like, share, subscribe, and take care.